In this video, we will see dry run of the code.
So now let's see how this code is working. Basically a complete dry run of this code. So first of all, I have one previous equals to null. So let me define somewhere else here my previous pointer. Okay, that is pointing to, that is equals to null. So I will say that this is equals to null. Okay, then I have current equals to head. So I have one pointer that is current equals to head. Then I have one pointer after equals to head. So I have one pointer after as well, that is also equals to head. Okay. Now while current is not equals to null, so yes, current is not equals to null. After will be current dot next. What is current dot next? This is, so my after pointer, okay, will be this one. Okay, current dot next. And your current dot next equals to previous. So what I will do, I will break this current dot next. Now it will point to my previous, and previous is null. So now one is pointing to null. Okay. And now your previous will be your current. So my previous is pointing to here. Okay. It will come to here, right? My previous will be current, right? Let me mention this clearly here. This is my previous. Okay. And your current will be your after. So current will be pointing to this here. Sorry, like here. Again, I will come. Is current is not equals to null? Yes, it is. So your after will be current dot next. So your after will be current dot next. So my after will be current dot next. Current dot next equals to previous. So I will break this one. Okay, current dot next, and it will point to previous. What is my previous? One. So I will connect with one. Okay. Now your previous will be current. So my previous, okay, this one, basically it will come to here. Okay, this one. Previous will be current, and your current will be after. So my current will be the after. So point to here. Okay. Now again I will come. Is your current is not equals to null? Yes, it is. After will be current dot next. So my after pointer will be current dot next, like this one. Current dot next will be previous. So current dot next is this one. I will break this one. Okay. I will break this one, and I will connect to this one, like my previous. And once I connected, my previous pointer will be my current. Okay. So previous move to the current, this one, and your current pointer will be moved to after. So current pointer will move to after here. Okay. Now again, is your current is not equals to null? Current is not equals to null. After will be current dot next. So after will be current dot next. Current dot next equals to previous. So I will break it, this one, and I will connect to this one. Current dot next equals to previous, and your previous will be your current. So my previous will point to here. Okay. Your current will be your after. Now your current pointer will point to here. Okay. Again, is your current is not equals to null? Yes, it is. So after will be current dot next. What is current dot next? That is pointing to null. Okay. What is current dot next? Equals to, current dot next equals to previous. So current dot next, I will break it from here. I will connect this one. Current dot next will be point to previous. Previous will be current now. So previous will be point to here. Okay. Current will be after. So my current will point to this one, null. Okay. And now I will check, is your current is not equals to null? No. Now it's null, right? Now it is null. My current is pointing to null. So I will break it, and I will return the previous, and you can see my previous is my head of the new linked list. So this is going to be my new head. Okay. So that's why I have the last pointer as previous, and you can see we have successfully completed. We have successfully reversed the linked list, right? 1 is pointing to null, 2 is pointing to 1, 3 is pointing to 2, 4 is pointing to 3, 5 is pointing to 4. So we have reversed the linked list completely, right? Again, if I talk about the time complexity, again I am traversing till my nodes, so it will be big O of n. Space complexity will be here constant. We are not taking any extra space here. So yes, this will be your time and space complexity. Okay, and this was your problem on the linked list. In the next series, in the next set of question, we will see more problems on the linked list.